Here's a 2017 Dodge Charger. It was brought in today to do a Viper security system, and it is an add-on to the factory remote. This is what it looks like. It is a push to start. Here you can see the remote start button right there. And now when you hit lock, you can hear a siren in the background. So there's no need to carry an extra remote. The original will take care of it. That is the security system that we put in, made by Viper. You can see it's very sensitive. As soon as I threw that box inside, it activated the alarm. Now we cut it off. And the factory remote start is still active. So we just lock it and crank it up, and it fires right up. We have these in stock and ready to go for most vehicles. Viper add-on security and add-on remote start. You can either do it as a combo or just choose one. We're open Monday to Saturday from 10 to 6 and closed on Sunday. We'll see you guys on the next one.